Hi viewers, welcome back. Today we're gonna be unboxing Nokia 5.1 Plus. After that we're going to review this Android One phablet. The 5.1 Plus was launched by HMD Global in late 2018. The budget-friendly handset is for the demanding mobile gamers and on-the-go binge watchers. This smartphone has 2 GHz octa-core processor, 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of inbuilt memory. It is powered by 3060 mAh battery. Wrapped in the glass body with shiny looks, notch and bezel-less design, Nokia 5.1 Plus becomes one of the most desirable smartphones in the market. This phone accepts dual nano SIM cards and supports 3G, 4G, VoLTE. The OS installed is Android One, updated to Pie 9, which gives you Google Pixel-like user experience. The display of Nokia 5.1 Plus is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass technology. Gorilla Glass protection makes it more durable. The smartphone features IPS LCD display measuring 5.86 inches with 16 million colors, enabled to give a vibrant display experience. The back camera is dual lens 13 plus 5 megapixel. The depth of field sensor gives you DSLR-like experience. It also features an 8 megapixel front snapper. If the notch seems distracting to you, you can hide the notch from display settings.